Hi guys, I'm back for another video. This is just a quick video. I just noticed that ESL companies offering a rate of 200 pesos above are getting more and more. We should be very happy. So please guys, don't forget to improve your accent and get certificates. Again, teacherrecord.com is offering a free TESOL program that you can take advantage as well. So invest on a good internet connection and laptop. These are the main tools that you need to be an ESL teacher. So for today, I will be sharing with you these companies offering a rate of almost 300 pesos per hour or $6 for teachers in the Philippines. You can also join the group ESL Teachers of the Philippines for tenured and newbie for more details. So let us start. This is the company or the first company on my list, TELEDU. And I talked to the manager or the owner of this TELEDU through Messenger. She seems nice, and she also sent two links, one for the application link, and then the second link is for some details about her company. You have to have a native accent or near to native accent, at least 5 years of teaching English experience, maybe offline or online, current regular school teacher or head. I think they're just setting the bar high, but then when I talked to the manager or the owner, I think she's happy to assist everyone who is very interested in the position. So again, don't be intimidated with the qualifications. Just submit lang ng qualifications or applications. And also the rest here, so just the usual certificate, experience in using Google Drive. And she said this is not mandatory, so you could submit your application. So they're offering 300 to 300 per hour teachers in the Philippines. Next company is Happy English. So Happy English is also a startup company for Chinese kids and adults. You can see all the qualifications here. So they just need 1 year teaching experience online. And of course, if you have an offline classroom experience, that is an advantage. And here, these are the working hours, 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. So usually for Chinese ESL companies, and you are going to teach kids, they are just available from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. and then the rest of the day on the weekends. Their classes are through Zoom. You have to be familiar in teaching literature and grammar. So if you're interested, I will put all the links in the description. Next company is Bestone. I always recommend Bestone because of its rate, $6.5 to $7 per class. I know some teachers who are working here, and so far so good. They are satisfied with the company, and they say that the owner is very generous of giving bonuses. So you can check out everything here. All the qualifications are here. Just try to apply, especially for those teachers who are from Mr. Japan's group or Bunny English. They're accepting them. And also the salary, so the salary is here already. And then salary can be negotiated, so maybe it could go up. This offer is not only for English teachers in the Philippines. If you are not from the Philippines, you can also apply. You are free to apply. Anyway, their rate is high as well, and it's also negotiable. So Bestone company provide all materials and also PPT. So again, they're looking for someone who has a good accent. So just try to apply here in Bestone. Next company is Adasita Edukita. How do you pronounce this? But this one, I just saw this a few days ago, and they are looking for ESL teachers with good and clear accent, willing to undergo training. And audio class only. There, all of the qualifications are here. ESL teaching experience or teaching certificate is an advantage but not a must because they will provide the training. So they want to mold you. So what's important for them is you pass the training and then you will be given regular classes. So again, they will be having a training for you guys with their model strategy. And look at their rate. It's very promising. $4. It could go up to $8 per hour for teachers from the Philippines. So try to apply, guys. This is a very promising company as well. Next company is Online Kids Academy. I've been seeing this Online Kids Academy across all ESL groups that I am joined. So they have a great pay of $12 to $16, but I think this is for native speakers. And I think for non-native, they are offering $6. And then they also have flexible schedule for those of you who are just looking for a part-time and you want a flexible schedule. Try to apply in Online Kids Academy. They also provide curriculum. They also prepare all the materials, lesson materials. And here are the requirements that you need. So these are just the usual ones. And then here are a few steps. So you have to submit your application. Interview invitation will be next. Platform training. You can sign the contract. And then finally, you can complete your profile and wait for bookings. I think this is a new platform, so don't expect too much yet. But then just submit your application, especially they are offering flexible schedule. There you go, guys. Those are the companies offering almost 300 pesos or $6 per hour to Filipino ESL teachers. By the way, Chuanyi and Dia Global are also offering this rate, but I will have a separate video for these companies I am affiliated with. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated on my newest post. See you next time!